Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video we will guide you on how to show or hide show desktop buttons in Windows 11. This is when you will place the cursor here, you will see show desktop button. When you will press this button, and if you have opened so many windows, all windows will be minimized altogether. And if you will again click on this one show button, then again all windows will be maximized and in position where it was before. For this you will have two methods. First one is through settings app and another one is registrator. You can use any method that you prefer. So let me begin without any delay. First one is settings method. For that, right click on this one taskbar option and here select taskbar settings. It will directly take you up to taskbar settings window. Here scroll down and click on this one taskbar behaviors. Again scroll down to the bottom and here you can check this option. Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. This will enable show desktop button immediately. It will be a small button, so you can find in your PC. It might not be visible to you in this video. And if you will uncheck this option, this will remove this one a small show button from your Windows 11 desktop. Talking to the another method, that is registrator. This is also useful. If you want to use, then first open the registrator window on your PC. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and type regedit, then click on OK button or press enter on the keyboard to open the registrator window on your PC. After that, you need to copy and paste this one path from this video description. I will copy and paste this one details, so you can quickly copy and paste here. After pasting these details, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the advanced key directly. On the right, select any key and press T on the keyboard. This will take you up to taskbar animations. Here you will find taskbar XD res debug. Double click on this one. Here you can set value 1 or 0. I have already set here value 1. Value 1 is applicable to show the show desktop button at this one taskbar bottom right corner. And if you will put here value 0, then it will disable and hide show desktop button from your Windows 11 taskbar. After entering the appropriate value 0 or 1, click on this one OK button to save the changes. Close the registrator. Most probably it will appear or disappear show buttons immediately on your PC. In case it does not, then restart your PC once to apply the changes. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.